Hello, Internet. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tori, and today I have an update for the Project Pantivity. Paranormal Pantivity. Oh my god. This project started September 24th, 2022, and will end September 24th, 2023. This project was created by Andrea. She will be listed down below, as well as the master list for everyone else in this project. There's a fuzzy. Since the last update, nothing is rolling out. There are a couple items that are close, but I am going to pull a move that I've seen Paula do before, especially in her Panner's Pan, where now on in every update, I'm going to pull an additional product in. So this can either really mess me up or this can go really well. So that is what we're just going to jump into. Starting with our oldest item first, for White Lady, a product that's white or with white packaging. I have the Wet n Wild multi-stick in white. Since the last update, I only used this 4 times. I have a feeling I'm going to scroll this up and it's not going to scroll back down. But I am going to try my best. That's how much is left. I've been trying to use it as an eye base, but I'm having a hard time with my eyelids being really oily. They normally are, but for some reason, they're not reacting well with this. So, we'll see. Next, for the Vanishing Hitchhiker, a product that disappears quickly. It would disappear quickly if I remembered to use it. This is the Jordana Jet Black Eyeliner. Since the last update, I only used it once, being today. This is how much is left in the eyeliner. Will I finish it in this project? I don't know, but I'm going to try to. Next, for Screaming Skulls, a Halloween/scary themed product. I was going to say project. I picked the Wet n Wild highlighter and not your basic witch. My goal is to use this item 12 times. Since the last update, it has not been used. It has 11 uses left to go. I haven't been wearing black eyeshadow, so I use this as eyeshadow, so it's not getting love. This, I thought I used more, but I haven't, surprisingly. For Banshees? Yes. A product you are close to finishing, I have the Becca Opal Highlighter. My goal is to finish it. I am wearing it today, but apparently I only used it 3 times since the last update. I thought I used it more, but the pan is expanded a little bit. If I have a photo from last month, I'll put it up. But that did expand. So I am happy that at least there is some progress. For the Dybbuk, it's a product that is still in its box. I picked the Beauty Treats Floral Fantasy Palette. Now it's not in its box anymore. But my goal with this palette is to use it 5 times. It's at 4 uses. It needs 1 more use left. So this definitely will be rolled out by the next update. Today, I only reached for the orange shade, but so far in this palette I've used this white shimmer, I've used this matte, and I think I've used these 2 shades, but the 5 uses counts for how many times I pick it up. So how I just grabbed this palette made a very specific sound. I don't know if anyone's gonna relate, but it just sounded like a door like creaking in Phasmophobia, which is a ghost game. That's like an oddly specific sound. Anyway, 1 more use left. Definitely will be used by the next update. For Kelpie, a product that is used in the shower or the bath, I picked the Bath and Body Works Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub in Vanilla Bean Noel. My goal is to use this 5 times. Since the last update, I used it twice. This better be done by the next update. Well, my goal of being used 5 times better be hit by the next update, because it only needs 3 uses left. My foot fell asleep. So the item that is getting rolled in is Boogie, or the Boogeyman. So a product that you use at night. This is the mini Laneige lip sleeping mask. It is in this container because I lost the lid and I still cannot find it. I don't know where the lid went. So since then, I've just put it in a little salad dressing container. Well, at least that's what I tend to use these for. So my goal will be to finish it. This one should be interesting. Hopefully that will be an easier goal, or an easy goal. But yeah. that is my current progress in this project. Don't forget to check out everyone else who's doing this listed in the master list down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.